We're now in an amber weather warning.
Named by the Portuguese weather service as Storm Emma. See some heavy snow running in towards the southwest.
The highway officers here in Lincolnshire, the RAF, have been deployed as
10 to 20 centimetres of snow is likely, maybe as much as 40 centimetres, possibly even 50 centimetres on the hills.
So apparently I'm trapped in my house today. The weather's so bad that everyone is supposed to stay in their house today, which is very annoying because I had a pretty cool video idea for today for you guys to watch. I love the snow, but I hate the way England deals with the snow. It's not that bad.
Oh my god, oh my god! Oh!
Anyway, so I had a cool idea for a video. I'm gonna have to hold back on that video until next week because I like to post at least one video a week. Today's video is going to be a little bit weird, so let's play a game. So you know I had the XT2 a few weeks ago now. I did a very scientific test and I took some selfies with the A6000, XT2 and the A7. So I thought I'll show you guys that today in a little bit of a weird way. I'm going to label them A, B and C and see if you guys can tell which camera is which. People bang on about certain cameras having certain colors, and I do like the colors on Fuji, especially when it's a JPEG files. And I just want you guys to see if you can see the difference. It's not just colors, it's about the way it renders skin tones as well and how sharp it is. So it's the best video I can come up with. I'm so sorry. Anyway, let's roll some music. A, B and C. Write in the comments below which camera you think it is, or you can just skip to the end and find out. God, this is a bad video, right?
Come take a ride.
So let's see if you guys got it right. Camera A was the A7, which is a full frame camera, you know about that one. Camera B was the Sony A6000, and camera C was the XT2. Did you get it right? Anyway, I'm hoping that stupid Storm Emma, the dirty little girl, passes very quickly so that we can get some better videos on the go. I apologize for this crap. I apologize for this bad video. We'll be back to normal schedule next week. Hit subscribe.